Make a great choice today with
the 2022 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.